Happy New Year and welcome to the second video in this new year. This is a 3-part series, and today, if you need a little motivation to get started cleaning after Christmas, stay tuned. The kitchen had a thorough cleaning right before the holidays, so I don't need to do a deep cleaning. All the holiday decor is taken down except for this side of the kitchen. I will be doing that today. And some light wiping down and getting up some of the glitter, garlands, stems, and whatever else that's been left behind in the kitchen. So sit back and listen to some music while I do a CWB in my kitchen. So let's get started. Using a bin to gather all the decor makes it so much easier to carry and organize your decor after each fill. When I decorate my garland or my wreath with ornaments, I use a lot of wire. So having wire cutter with me when I take those ornaments off saves a lot of time and frustration. As you can see, I throw everything I can in this bin. Batteries, ribbons, picks, candles, etc. It just makes the job easier having to carry all of this back to my organization table to put everything away. Once everything is organized and packed up, I use these 4 bins to put everything away. These bins have my basic colors that I use throughout my Christmas holiday. Black, silver, white, and maybe another neutral color. I know, this is dangerous, and I don't think about getting a duster vacuum until I'm doing the chore. I really need to remember to purchase one of those. You wouldn't believe some of the areas that glitter gets into. I can't believe it got into my stovetop. So I'm going to clean this out with a sponge, and then I'll go over with some stainless steel cleaner. I'm using linseed oil or either almond oil and vinegar to condition and clean my leather chairs. This is a great little DIY recipe for those who wants to try it. You can look online, they have the recipe there, or you can just basically purchase some leather conditioner. During this time of the season when I take down my ornaments and what have you, I come across some scuff marks or where paint has been removed because of furniture or the ornaments has been taken down because of nail marks. I always keep a small little jar of retouch paint. That would do it for this CWB. Stay tuned for part 3 in this series, where I will share with you some of my transitional holiday to winter decor ideas with a Decorate with Bree. See you on the next video. If you love DIYs, decorating, organizing, and so much more, click the subscribe button and click the bell for new videos notification every week. Don't forget to visit my other social media platforms for ideas and tips to decorate, organize, or better your home living. Until the next time, my friends, smooches!